Hello kids! It's the festival season around. Don't you love the vibe? I personally do. But we all want our homes to be decorated. So today I'll be making a lantern so that you can hang it around your room to make it look so beautiful. Let's get started. The first step is to collect all the sheets given to you. Yellow sheet, the metallic glittery sheet, and the blue sheet. Keep the book aside. Collect all of the materials that you require. Motif, scissors, a pencil, a sharpened one, a scale. Now, what you have to do is, you have to take a square from this sheet, a rectangular from a yellow sheet, and two strips from golden metallic sheet. So let me cut it out for you. Make sure that you take help of your parents or friends for cutting. Now we have to cut a rectangular from a yellow sheet. Here's your rectangle. Now you have to take two strips from the metallic sheet. Make sure that both the strips are equal. Done. Now what we have to do is, we have to take this yellow rectangle and cut strips from it, leaving the top part uncut. So you can draw a line so that you don't cut that particular part. And then for the strips, mark very narrowed lines here. Now just cut along these lines. Be careful, you don't have to cut the top part. And you will get the final thing like this. See, it has a sound of its own. Now what you have to do is, you have to collect these particles and paste it as shown in the step 4. Take a white glue, apply it here on the blue square. Now paste it. Now the best part, to dab it. Now take your strips, press it right over it. Now apply the glue on the yellow sheet. Press it tightly. Do the same at the top side. Apply the glue on the blue square and paste the strip. Now again press it. You can dab it if you want. Now what you have to do is cut this extra part. So take again scissor. Cut. Now after this step, you have to take the left sheet of the yellow one and the blue one and cut out 4 squares. 4 from yellow and 4 from blue. I'm taking yellow first. Again, take the ruler. So now my 4 yellow squares are ready. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm cutting down 4 blue squares. Now I have 4 blue squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 blue and 4 yellow. 8 squares in total. What you have to do is, you have to make roll pieces from each square. Let me show you how. Take a pencil, take one end of this piece and roll it with the pencil. Then take one end of this piece and paste this end over the other. We'll get something like this. We have to do like this in every square. Take the white glue Press it gently. Hold it for a few seconds so that it doesn't come off. Then take this beautiful motif and then paste it with the help of a glue. Hold it for a few seconds and then you will get something like this. So let's do this with every square. Cute, right? So now we have our 8 rolled pieces. Take this sheet that you have already created. What we have to do is we have to paste each piece alternatively. What do I mean by alternatively? One blue, one yellow. One blue, one yellow. Take the white glue, apply it on each piece. Start it from one end of the paper. So now one blue is done. What's the other color? Yellow. The last step is to take this end of the sheet, make a cylinder and paste it on the other side. You will get something like this, right? So take the glue again. After the pressing, you can leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and the final product will look something like this. This is a narrowed down version of the lantern. I have created one more which is a wider one, which will look something like this. You can put 2 holes here or make 2 holes here just with the help of a thread and hang it anywhere in your room. It can be your hall, it can be your kitchen, it can be your veranda, anywhere. See? Very nice. Happy Diwali!